Welcome children to maths class. We use maths in our daily life without even realizing. For example, if you are having your lunch and you have two chapatis in your plate, out of two chapatis, you have ate one of them, then it's subtraction. And if your mother gave one more chapati, then it's addition. So in this way, we are dealing with maths every day. So let's start our class. Wait, someone is here. Oh, this is our guest. So hello Ujwal. Do you know how to subtract? No, ma'am. No problem. I will teach you how to subtract. So children, I am going to teach you the lesson number 3, subtraction up to 10. I will start the lesson with a short story. I hope you all will enjoy. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Chintu. He loves to play with marbles and he was having total 9 marbles. But one day, when he was playing with his marbles, he was not getting few of them. Then he asked his father, Daddy, Daddy, where are my marbles? Some of my marbles are missing. His father replied, I gave 4 of your marbles to your friend Pintu. Now count your marbles and tell me how many marbles are left with you. Then Chintu started counting. After some time, he has got the answer. And the answer was 5. Earlier he was having 9 marbles. And his father gave 4 marbles to his friend. So he was left with 5 marbles. In that way, Chintu did subtraction. Count the object and write the answer. In a flower pot, 5 flowers are there. If I have taken away 2 flowers, then there will be only 3 flowers left. 3 cars are there in parking area. One is of Mr. Sharma, second one is of Mr. Verma, and third one is of Mr. Rai. After some time, Mr. Rai has taken away his car to the office. So there will be only 2 cars left in the parking area. So in that way, we have did the subtraction of objects. Let's understand. Taking away things from collection is called subtraction. The sign for subtraction is minus, and we read it as minus. We write this as 4 minus 1 equals 3. We read this as 4 minus 1 equals 3. Subtracting by crossing out. 4 leaves are here. If I have crossed out 1 leaf, then the answer will be 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 8 pencils are here. If I have crossed out 6 of them, then I have left with only 2 pencils. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Vertical subtraction, subtraction by crossing out and counting. 5 ice creams are there. I have crossed out 2 ice creams. So, there will be only 3 ice creams left. 5 balloons are there. I have crossed out 3 of them. Then there will be only 2 balloons. We can subtract a number from another number by drawing lines and cross out. 4 minus 1. First of all, we have to draw 4 lines and cross out 1. Then there will be only 3 lines remain. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 3. Draw 7 lines and cross out 3 of them. Then you will left with 4 lines. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 2. Draw 5 lines and cross out 2 of them. Then you will left with 3 lines. 5 minus 2, 3. Subtraction using number line. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So, for this subtraction method, there are total 2 steps. Step number 1. Start at 4. We will always start with the bigger number. So out of 4 and 2, the bigger number is 4. Step number 2. Count backward 2 times. You reach 2. From 4, we have to count backward 2 times. 4, 3, 2. So the answer will be 2. Subtract on number lines. A. 8 minus 3. We will start with the bigger number, which is 8, on the number line and count backward 3 times. 8, 7, 6, 5. So our answer will be 5. B. 9 minus 4. We will start with the bigger number, which is 9, on the number line and count backward 4 times. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So our answer will be 5. Subtraction by counting backward. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Put 6 in your mind and subtract 2. You will get your answer, which is 4. A. 4 minus 1. Put 4 in your mind and subtract 1. The answer will be 3. B. 5 minus 3. Put 5 in your mind and subtract 3. You will get the answer 2. Properties of subtraction. There are total 3 properties of subtraction. First property. If the number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. For example, 3 balloons are here. If all the 3 balloons have burst out, then we will left with nothing, means 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Second property. Subtracting 0 from the number gives the same number. You have 5 marbles with you. You give 0 marbles to your friend. How many marbles you have? 5 marbles minus 0 equals 5. Third property. Subtracting 1 from a number gives the number before. 6 stars are there. If I have crossed out one of them, then the answer will be 5, which is exactly before 6. Subtraction facts. So there are total 10 subtraction facts from 1 to 10. We are going to do 2 of them. Subtraction fact for 5. 5 minus 0 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Subtraction fact for 7. 7 minus 0 equals 7. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Let's solve the story sums. There are total 3 story sums. Starting with the first one. There are 8 buses in a school. 3 buses are sent to pick up children. How many are left? 8 buses minus 3 buses. So the answer will be 5. 5 buses are left in the school. Second story sum. Saurabh has 7 pencils. He gave 2 to his younger brother. How many pencils are left with Saurabh? 7 pencils minus 2 pencils. The answer will be 5 pencils. So, Saurabh has left with 5 pencils. You bought 8 tomatoes from the market. 2 fell from your bag before reaching home. How many tomatoes did you take home? 8 tomatoes minus 2 tomatoes. The answer will be 6 tomatoes. So, we have left with only 6 tomatoes. So students, here we have completed our lesson number 3, subtraction up to 10. Oh, you are back again. Hello again, Ujjwal. So, do you know how to subtract now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, children, I hope you enjoyed the class. Stay positive, be strong, and be confident. You will achieve the goal. Thank you and have a nice day.